In the first 7 years of operation, we've helped some 14,500 people to live independently at home. Managing Better is a service that's funded by Welsh Government through their Sustainable Social Services grant programme. It's a service that helps people aged over 50 who have survived a stroke, have dementia, have a sensory loss to live independently at home.
We were invited to join the Managing Better partnership back in 2020, and I've always worked really closely with Care and Repair and the other partners to support people affected by dementia. Alzheimer Society, along with the Stroke Association, RNIB, RNID and of course Care and Repair Cymru, all bring unique expertise in different areas to help provide more support around the individual.
A stroke is something that happens to you without any warning, and it happens in the brain, which is the control centre of who you are and what you do. So for us it's really important that when people come out of hospital after having treatment for that stroke, that they don't feel abandoned, that there's somebody there to support them with whatever it is they need. And so often when you have a stroke, there's more than one impact. So it could be an impact on your sight, it could be an impact on your physical disability. That's why it's important to work with partners who have expertise in those areas. For us, the Managing Better scheme is just a perfect example of working in partnership to support people who really need it.
There's 121,000 people currently in Wales that have got sight loss, and because of our ageing population, that is going to double in the next 20 to 30 years, and that is a massive amount of people who will have sight loss in the future. So it's really important that we're able to address that and make sure that we enable people to be more independent, to stay in their own homes as long as possible, but to live life well, and that's what Managing Better helps to do.
The number of people in the UK who have hearing loss is 1 in 5, so that's 20% of the population. In Wales, that's 630,000 people have hearing loss. Having the caseworkers have that breadth of knowledge from all the different partners is really, really valuable. And we're able to go so far with people. We're able to give them the information, the advice about what equipment to get or what can help them, or even how to go and get their hearing aids for the first time. But then we're able to refer back to Managing Better to kind of take them on the next journeys.
We know that many stroke survivors receive amazing care in hospital when they're having the stroke, but when they are released and they come back home, they often feel abandoned, and so partnerships like the Managing Better project really helps people to feel supported and know that they've got expertise around them to help them with whatever problem they're left with after stroke, and just enable them to rebuild their life.
The partners genuinely work together and co-produce services. We have a Managing Better steering group where all of the organisations meet regularly, and we do that to make sure that there's a strong project governance.
The way that the partnership works is about we trust each other. We trust each other's expertise, and we all listen to each other and understand that it's the combination of all of our skills and all of our knowledge that is actually making a better service. None of us can do it on our own.
And ultimately it's the way people feel that governs their quality of life, and this partnership helps us to provide a better service for our clients. We know that communication and collaboration is the best hope for truly integrated social care, so that's why we're thrilled to be a Managing Better partner.
The key thing here is it provides a specialist, comprehensive, one-stop shop service for the client, and without this service we'd have 5 different members of staff from the 5 different organisations going into that person's house and interacting with them at different times. And with this service we have all of the specialist skills and expertise directed through one person who has the knowledge of all those organisations combined together.